Okay, guys, good morning to everyone. So without wasting our time, we are going to proceed with VIX 100 index. So it has been a while since we linked up, but today we are going to proceed as usual. So let us start with this one. So as you know, we always start from the higher time frame to the lower time frame according to our strategy. So here on the board, we are on the daily time frame. So on this daily time frame, guys, we are going to read this price action in a good way so that we can understand what it is going on the daily time frame. So please make sure you are watching it right now and just take some notes. So on this daily time frame, you can see this price, it has managed to reach this price level. Then we are having something like this, guys. We had this impulsive move to the downside, then boom, this was a correction. Then what we are expecting here, this price will go to the downside like this, boom. So here, guys, I will take my trend line and I'm going to draw this like this one. So I draw this trend line. So you know, after impulsive move, we always having this kind of correction. We call it bearish flag or consolidation. So next one, then I will take again this trend line. I will draw this from this point to this point. So as you can see here. So you see, now we are having this kind of pattern. We are having this impulsive to the downside, then correction. What are we expecting next is impulsive to the downside, the second leg of this correction. So we have the first leg and this is the second leg. So the same with this one. Okay, let us proceed. So here, guys, we have understood that now price is struggling to break this level to the downside so that to continue with this, the second leg. So let us proceed. We are going to 8 hours time frame. So you see here. So on this time frame, guys, what are we going to do next? We are going to tweak our trend lines. So make sure you tweak your trend lines as well as possible. So you see, then I will tweak it like this one. Then I will tweak it again this one. So you see here. So now we are having the clear picture, as you all can see here on the board. So here we had this impulsive leg from the upside to the downside. Then we had this correction move, then boom to the downside. But this, what are we expecting? This price will go up to this point, at least up to this point. So you see, let us proceed, guys. So you see, after spotting this consolidation zone, then what are we expecting here, guys? We're expecting this price to boom to the downside. So let us proceed with H4 time frame. So what are we going to do next year on this time frame, guys? I'm going to take again my trend lines, as you can see here. Then I'm going to start to draw it from this point to this point. So you see, from this point to this point. Then again, I'll take another trend line. I will draw it like this way. So you see. So here, guys, you will understand this kind of price action. So you see, whenever you see this kind of move, guys, after impulsive moves and big correction, we understand that after when this price will manage to break it impulsively to the downside, then we shall be waiting for the correction. So this will be the bearish flag to the downside. So you know that this is a bearish flag. So the same of this one. So you see here. So we know that after the big correction here, we always having a continuation of the second leg. So we know that the price, it has managed to break this impossible to the downside. Then here we should be looking for the correction, continuation for the second leg. So let us proceed. Okay, we are going to 2 hours time frame. So here, guys, I would love to get your attention here so that we can be together. So I will tweak my trend line as usual here, then the same one. So okay, now you can see here we're having this good picture of this one. So what are we expecting here, guys? We are expecting the second leg of this correction. So we know that after the impulsive leg, then we had this big correction. So now we are having this continuation. So it is like a bearish flag. So here, when this price will be ready to break it impulsive to the downside, this price will go up to this point, So you see, our first take profit will be along this level. Yeah, obvious. It will be around here. So let me read this, then we can proceed. So now, from this point, guys, we are together. What are we going to do next, guys? We are going to 1 hour time frame. So make sure, guys, you're understanding this kind of price action. So what are we going to do here, guys? You have to zoom it in and out. So you see, so here we are expecting this price to break to the downside. So now what are we going to do here, guys? We are going to measure our take profit point here. So our take profit will be around this level. Then we are going to take our position here, short position. Then I shall take it around here. Our stop loss will be there. Then our take profit will be here. So you see, so this is how we call it price action. So this price will go like this way. Boom. So you see. So guys, I wish you all the best. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel so you won't be late. You'll be the first one to watch the videos and some material. So I'll be posting the useful strategies. And I wish you all the best, guys. Make sure you are passing the other videos so that you can make it easy as possible. Good day, guys.